In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a print area in LibreOffice Calc so you can print only the part of your spreadsheet you actually need. This is really useful when you have a large sheet, but you only want to print a specific table, section, or range of cells instead of the entire worksheet. It helps keep your printouts clean, professional, and easy to read. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, you'll see the Start Center. On the left side, under Create, click Calc Spreadsheet if you want to start a new sheet. If you already have a spreadsheet saved, you can open that existing file instead. Either way works as long as you're inside LibreOffice Calc. Now that your spreadsheet is open, look through your sheet and select the exact cells you want to print. You can click and drag your mouse across the range or use your keyboard if you prefer. Be careful to include only the area you want on paper because this selection will become your print range. If you choose too much, extra cells may be included in the printout. If you choose too little, some important data might be left out. After selecting the cells, go up to the top menu and click Format. This is where LibreOffice keeps several layout and page-related tools. From the Format menu, move your mouse over Print Ranges. When the sub-menu opens, click Define. This tells LibreOffice that the highlighted cells should be treated as the print area for that sheet. Once you define the print area, LibreOffice Calc will only use that selected range when you print the spreadsheet. That means all the unused parts of the sheet outside your selection will be ignored during printing. This is especially helpful if your worksheet has notes, extra calculations, or blank columns that you do not want showing up on the final page. If you want to double check your setup before printing, you can go to Print Preview and see exactly how the page will look. This is a smart step because it lets you confirm that the correct cells are included and that the layout fits the page properly. If the preview does not look right, you can always go back, select a different range, and redefine the print area. And that's it. You've now set a print area in LibreOffice Calc. It's a quick process, but it can save you a lot of time and frustration when preparing documents for printing. Whether you're working on reports, budgets, schedules, or data tables, knowing how to define a print range is a very useful skill. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.